We want to factor this problem completely, which means first to factor out the greatest common factor. The coefficient in common is a 3, and the variable in common is a y. So dividing 3y out of the first term, we're left with 4x squared. If we divide 3 out of the second, we get minus 9 and x, and then we divide the y out. And then if we divide 6y by 3y, we're left with 2. So now we look at the trinomial that we're left with, the 3 terms, and we want to see if that can break down any further. So we've got our 3y. We break down our 2 parentheses. We might try 2x and 2x. And then we know both signs are the same, so they must both be negative. So we might try this with 2 and 1 for the factors of 2. Well, this gives us negative 4 and negative 2. That doesn't work. And so that means that the 2 with the 2 in the first spaces is not the correct choice. So other factors would be a 4 and a 1. If we try that, we get negative 4 and negative 2. That won't work either. But if we switch the 2 with the 1, in the last spaces, we get a negative 1x and a negative 8x, which is negative 9x. So that means that 3y times 4x minus 1 times 1x minus 2 are the correct factors. They can't be broken down any further, and so therefore that would be our completely factored form.